Welcome. In front of me is a DOOGEE S70 and today I will show you how to put the device into fastboot mode. Now to get started you will want to power off the device, hold the power key, select power off, and once the device turns off you want to hold power key and volume up at the same time. So power and volume up. So let's hold those two at the same time. Now you will see the logo of the device show up briefly on the screen. There we go, it will disappear, there we go. Keep holding those keys and you should be presented with the boot mode in a second. So for some reason it showed up the DOOGEE logo twice instead of just single time, but as you can see, keep holding it and it will show up this menu right here. So once you see this, I know that the text is really tiny here and it's probably not even visible in the camera. But going quickly over the three options that we have right here. The first one is the recovery mode, then the middle one is the fastboot mode, and the bottom one is a normal boot, which will take you back to Android. And you want to obviously select the fastboot mode in the middle, so you have the tiny little arrow right here that will just jump up and down, as you can see. So using volume up only, you want to select the middle option and then press volume down to confirm it. And there we go, we are now in a fastboot mode, which you can see right here. So that is how you boot the device into fastboot mode, and to leave this mode we should be able to do it simply by holding the power key till this turns off. There we go. And as you can see, it automatically boots back up on its own. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.